Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, I did this wrong! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I keep saying oh no because I gotta get that other teether in. Oh no! Ah, nice.
How's it going, guys? My name's Noel. Welcome to our first ever Maggie Monday. We'll be showing you a little bit under the hood of what we got going on at Magnuson Superchargers. Well, first Maggie Monday, first product release. We got our TVS 2300 hot rod kit with Camaro front drive. This features 6th generation TVS 2300 2.3 liter Eaton rotor. Shout out to our guys over at Eaton. This is front and rear ported fuel rails as well, depending on your applications. For all you hot rod guys out there, it still does have our vacuum bypass as well. It has a massive charge air cooler with 3/4 inch inlet and outlet at the rear of the unit. This is also compatible with our universal cooling system, which is available right now, as well as this unit at MagnusonSuperchargers.com. This is capable of making an additional 120 horsepower, depending on your application, at 6 pounds of boost. This does not come with the front pulley, so depending on how much boost you want to run, how mild or how aggressive you want to go, that will be sold separately. It's capable of supporting upwards of 800 horsepower. Of course, this also all depends on what modifications you have done. Start your build today with this new TVS 2300 hot rod kit, available at MagnusonSuperchargers.com. Link in the description below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and keep a lookout for our next Maggie Monday.